Good morning, Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix some meatballs in the crock pot. All you need is grape jelly, a bottle, I used Heinz chili sauce, and your crock pot. We're just going to put jelly in the crock pot, and I am going to use the whole bag of meatballs because I'm taking them to a dinner, and I just need that many, so I'm going to use 30-ounce grape jelly is what this jar holds. So we're just going to dump that right in there. And I'm going to just put this bottle of chili sauce in here. Didn't want to come out right that second. We're going to stir it up a little bit and get it blended in. And we're going to use our meatballs, and what I have here, I've actually got 5 pounds of meatballs here. Let's see how many I can put in here. I'd love for the whole thing to go in here. I don't know whether it will or not. I think so. Probably be 30 people there at the dinner that we're having tomorrow. So all I'm going to do is just stir up the meatballs a little bit, get them all wet. Okay, I have now got them all wet, stirred up. So we're going to put the lid on them. We're going to let them cook for a couple of hours. Now these meatballs have already been pre-cooked, so it's not a matter of having to start from scratch. So what we'll just do is put the lid on it, and we're going to turn it. I'm going to turn it on high for just a little bit until my jelly gets melted better, and then I'll just cut it down on low and let it just cook for a couple of hours, and we'll be ready for tomorrow. Again, this is nothing in the world but Italian style meatballs. Grape jelly and Heinz chili sauce. Okay, my meatballs have now been cooking about 2.5 to 3 hours, so let's just see what we've got. But before I open it, I want to tell you that I took some barbecue sauce, some sweet Baby Rays BBQ Sauce, and added it to it about an hour ago to give it a little bit more of a sweet taste. So let's just see what we've got. Wow, they look good. It's a little tough to hold the bowl and cut, so they look good. They're done. Well, they were already done, but they look very good. Let's see. Ooh. Very good. And again, this is Italian style meatballs, grape jelly, a bottle of Heinz chili sauce, and I did add just a little bit of barbecue sauce about an hour ago and stirred it up. And you have got a pot full of meatballs. And I will take that to our luncheon tomorrow. Very good flavor. This is a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Something different, something quick, easy. And in this hot weather, you definitely need easy stuff. Join my channel, offer me your comments, and come back to see me. Have a great day.